Here I am in central London, surrounded by all these huge, fantastic shops with their great big Christmas displays. But a word of warning, before you come out here and spend your hard-earned cash on buying Christmas presents, have a look on the internet, because you can get a much better deal in a lot of cases on the internet. Now, what might cost you £100 here may cost you as little as £50 on the internet. So before you spend that cash, search around, look at all the internet sites and make sure you're getting the best deal.
Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square, in the frosty air, what a bright time.
And another thing, if you want to return goods to a shop, you'll need to produce a receipt. Now, what many people don't know is if you're buying a Christmas present, you can ask for something called a gift receipt. It's exactly the same as a normal receipt, but it doesn't say the price. Now, if you're stingy like my agent, that'd be a wonderful thing, because if you bought something really, really cheap and you don't want the recipient to know, they won't be able to see how much you spent. So it's a good idea to ask for a gift receipt when buying Christmas presents. Do you know the difference between all of these shops and the internet? There's two entirely separate set of rules. Now, if you buy in a shop and you change your mind because you don't like it or it's the wrong colour, you can't, as of right, just go and get your money back. You may be able to exchange it, but you don't have the right to get your money back. But if you buy on the internet, on the other hand, we've got a separate law under what's called the Distance Selling Directive. And that law says that if you send it back within 7 days, you can get your money back. Doesn't matter what reason is, you change your mind, it's fine. So remember this, next time you buy something, if you think you may change your mind, use the internet. I've just walked out of a department store here in London's Oxford Street, where I've seen lots of shoppers spending their hard-earned cash on Christmas presents. Stop! It's a big, big mistake. What you should be doing is using one of these, a credit card, because what that does, it gives you this wonderful protection under something that's called Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act. Now, what that section says is that if something goes wrong, so the goods don't arrive, or maybe they do arrive, but there's something wrong with them, and the retailer fails to do something about it, the credit card company will give your money back. That's right, they'll give the money back to you, no questions asked, or they shouldn't be asked, and you can walk away from the situation. Now, why does that happen? Very simple. When the credit card company steps in and hands the money over to the shop on your credit card, they contract with the shop, not you. So it's their problem. So remember this Christmas, don't spend your hard-earned cash on Christmas presents. Instead, use your credit card and get a fantastic protection, and shop safe this Christmas.